All right, we had an amazing showing in front of the Supreme Court today. So I appreciate all of you showing up out there and all of you showing up online. I think the prayers were felt. I think there was
Hey, Gator Girl.
there were some glaring truths that the justices made a point of today. They did, not by name, but they did bring up the incident of Jamal Bowman when he pulled he pulled the lever, and the way Gorsuch, I believe, he put it was that, so if you pull an alarm to delay a vote and that vote is happening, why wouldn't you charge this person with this same crime?
Right.
Well, and they also used the Golden Gate Bridge example, and and there was a lot of talk of just the DOJ being able to wield such a heavy penalty when they choose, without it being so more narrowly defined, because it is a very broad umbrella type charge. So, they did bring out the two-tiered system. And I think, to me, yes, I think, how are you can't really come back at that when you have so many different instances where they haven't used that charge. And several of the justices asked, has this been used in protest? Now, I will say, has anyone been charged with this in protest prior to January 6th? And I think the government really danced around that question, because no, it hasn't. It's been used in different situations, but for a form of protest, this is Jan 6 is the first time they've used it in that sense. So I believe that there will be good consideration in it. It was really amazing to be inside that system and see it and see how it works and see the justices in person. So I'm happy I got to witness this part of history. So and y'all were outside. We got the free J6 going on, and I think that, the temperature in D.C. to me, I feel like is changing all the time. There are still, you have the haters that are going to hate, but the general people that are out aren't hating so much anymore, because they have to realize that the more and more that comes out and the more that the news has to talk about what the Supreme Court is talking about, people start realizing, wait a second, how many people are charged with this heavy crime? There are people still being charged with this crime. So, hopefully, yes. So, we got to take that. And so I feel like the temperature's changing, and y'all are helping that happen. So, we're doing it every day. So tomorrow we're going to be back at it. So anyone that can join us, we're going to be going to the National Guard whistleblower hearing. It's going to be in the Longworth at 10. We do have that information on our website.
Thanks, Deb.
Thank you, Deb. And so that you can get that at 4ashley.com, the number 4ashli.com, and join us if you can, because we've said it before, the hearings are theater, but you get to hear what this whistleblower is saying in person, and you can see for yourself how the left only likes whistleblowers on their side, because they either like to destroy their lives or knock them off altogether when they come out with something that is exposing what's happening. So I think it's important we get there and show all the support we can to the whistleblowers. So I'm out.